you. Ko ako Koni-Leigh here. Today we're going to learn about shapes in Niue. There are different shapes wherever you go. Like this one. What shape is this? Our first shape is... Do you know what that shape is? A circle. Vili. Circle. Circles are round. They can spin easily like the spinning wheel. Can you spot any circles behind me? The round objects. Wow! Oh my God! Circle, vili. Now it's your turn to say vili. Great job! Circle, vili. Circle, vili. Our next shape is... Do you know what that shape is? A square, Vagahau. Square. A square has 4 even sides like a box. What shapes can you see here? Square, Vagahau. Now it's your turn to say Vagahau. Great job! Square, Vagahau. Square, Vagahau. Our next shape is... It's shaped like a mountain and it has 3 corners. Do you know what that shape is? A triangle, Fakaue. Triangle. Triangle has 3 corners, 3 sides, Fakaue. What shape could you see here? Can you spot the triangle in this picture? Triangle, Fakaue. Now it's your turn to say Fakaue. Lahi. Triangle, Fakaue. What shapes can you see here? Can you name the shapes? Vili, circle. Vagahau, square. Fakaue, triangle. Thank you for helping me find the shapes. Fakaue, lahi, koi kia.